This video is all about hair extensions and everything that I wish I knew before trying them. Today I have my clip-in extensions from the brand Endaring Hair, and these are perfect for the fine hair girls out there. These specific hair extensions are clip-ins. I have the shade Neutral Blonde Balayage. That's what I was matched to. They're so soft, you guys. 100% virgin Remy hair. So first, right off the bat, why these hair extensions are great is because this right here is your typical hair extension, and as you can see, they have the shiny band on top, which is arguably seamless, but for thin hair girls, we really need an invisible band, and that is why these extensions from Endaring Hair are unmatched. The hair goes all the way up to the band, so it is completely hidden. These are the two side by side. We have the shiny band, the traditional hair extension, and then the completely invisible band. So for sectioning the hair, you're going to take your fingers and then you're going to put them behind your ears, and right in the middle of your ear, take up that section so there's just this little bit of hair underneath, and then I'm just going to twisting on the top of my head and clipping it up with these little alligator clips that come with the extensions. I'm gonna take a section about this big, and then I'm gonna take my comb and then just start teasing it upward. Now that our back section is teased, I'm going to be taking the 3 clipped weft, and then I am going to attach it onto that section. Now that I have the extension placed exactly where I want it, I am just going to clip in each section. So now for the second weft, that's going to be the 4 clip. I'm going to take right above my ears this time, go straight back, pulling that up, and then leaving our natural hair down, doing the same thing, twisting and then sectioning off the top. As you can see right now with just the 1 weft in, it is looking crazy. As we add more pieces of the hair extensions, it is going to thicken up, but that is a mistake that a lot of people make when they have very fine hair and they're looking for hair extensions. Thicker hair extensions can weigh your hair down. It can look bulky at the root and just be really uncomfortable. That's another reason why I just love these extensions, because they are thin enough that when you do add layers to make your hair looking full and voluminous, it's not looking too much and it's not weighing your hair down. These are also just so freaking soft. Now that the hair is teased, same thing as last time, I'm just going to clip in each individual section. And then with every layer, it's getting thicker and thicker, and once we style it, everything will be blended. Now for the last main section, which is a 3 clip weft, I'm just going to be sectioning off at my temples, clipping in the 3rd and final weft. So this is what we were working with the main section in my hair, and now I'm going to go on to the side wefts. These next extensions I'm going to be sectioning in the middle of my forehead and pulling the hair up once again. So now for the 2 clip, these are the pieces that are going to be more important because these are the ones that are going to be in front and framing the face. So with the 2 clip, I'm going to put this on the side of my head, not directly in the middle, a little bit towards the back, but a little bit at an angle. So when the hair falls forward, it still gives you that face framing effect. Clipping that first one down and then making sure that they are super tight to the head. Now I am just doing the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, now for the very last piece, this is going to be the 1 clip. I'm going to take right in the center of my forehead, bring the comb up, kind of lift up my front pieces. Hair in this front section is going to be very soft, so it's important to tease this so the extension has something to adhere to. Taking that piece and teasing upward, and then just clipping that front section right on. Same thing with the other side, just taking up that chunk of hair, then clipping it in. Pulling the rest of that hair down, these are how the hair extensions look like all installed. I think they look great like this, but the key to getting hair extensions to blend seamlessly is to curl them. I love giving like a loose beachy curl, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna curl my hair now. I have my long barrel curling iron all heated up. Curling my hair how I always do. Once I have the hair wrapped up in the iron, I will twist it out of the iron, and then once I get to this end, I will just pull straight. So once we brush out all of the curls, they will be a little bit looser, giving a little bit more of like a beachy wave. I just wanted to show you guys 1/2 curled, 1/2 straight, showing you guys how well these hair extensions blend once they are curled. It is literally seamless. You cannot tell the difference of what is my real hair versus the extension, whereas the straightened side, it is a little bit easier to tell. So these are the hair extensions all styled and curled. I love how they are so lightweight. This literally feels like my own hair. No tugging, no pulling, and no bulkiness at the root. That is something that I love because I have tried hair extensions before in the past that have been very thick, and you can can totally tell the difference from my real hair to the extension, and they are such great quality. Most clip-in extensions last about 2 to 3 months, but these can last over a year with the proper care. They do come with a step-by-step wash guide just so you know how to take perfect care of them. So if you are thinking about investing into some hair extensions, whether or not you have fine hair loss, or just want some extra volume, these ones from Endaring Hair I definitely think are the way to go. I have been absolutely loving them.